This is a practice exercise video solution. For this practice, we'll get started with the supplied dataset, part consolidation-pe.f3d. We want to navigate to generative design and make sure that we are creating a new structural component in generative study. We then want to navigate to edit model and take a look at parts that can be removed because they're not needed for our study. We're going to be looking at part consolidation for the mounting bracket on this design. This currently contains two sheet metal parts, and we want to make sure that we combine those as well as any other geometry that might be included. This means that all the geometry for the air cylinder, its mounts, and its clevis at the end are no longer needed. To remove these, we can go to Model Components and we can take a look at the three components that we have. We have the air cylinder, which contains the mounting nuts on both ends as well as the shaft. Then we have the clevis end, and then we have our bracket. Let's start by right-clicking on the bracket, and then we want to remove all except selected. The bracket includes a pivot body, so if we expand the bracket and the bodies, notice that we have a left and a right-hand bracket, and then we also have a pin as well as the E-clips on the sides. The clips and the pin are not needed, so we can select those bodies, right-click, and remove. This leaves us with just body 1 and body 2. These can be used to create some new geometry with sketches and extrudes that can be used for preserved geometry. But from here for this example, let's finish edit model and make sure that we do save the design.